Today we are going to discuss activity 2, seconds pendulum. Aim of activity is to determine length of seconds pendulum. Now let us see what is pendulum. For that, let us observe our apparatus. Now this apparatus is nothing but a simple pendulum. Now what is simple pendulum? Simple pendulum is a heavy spherical bob. It is attached to the rigid support with light inextensible string. Now length of this simple pendulum. For length of simple pendulum, we see this diagram. Now see the diagram. This is simple pendulum. This is mean position of simple pendulum, and this is right extremity. This is left extremity. Now what is length of simple pendulum? Length of simple pendulum is measured from the rigid support. That is, it is distance between rigid support and center of gravity of spherical bob. Now this small l is the length of string and small r is the radius of spherical bob. Now therefore length of simple pendulum is capital L, which is small l, that is length of string plus radius of bob. Now we have to find the period required for one oscillation for 3 different lengths of simple pendulum. Now here we take 3 different lengths of simple pendulum as 80 cm, 90 cm and 100 cm. Now before that we have to find out the radius of bob. Now we measure this radius of bob with the help of vernier caliper. Now we take this bob and measure length with the help of measure diameter of bob with the help of vernier caliper. Now here we take only main scale reading of vernier caliper, and the main scale reading comes out to be 2.5. That is, sorry, it is 2.4. Now therefore diameter of bob is 2.4, and therefore the radius of bob comes out to be 2.4 divided by 2, which is 1.2 centimeter, which is radius of bob. Now here we have to find out the time required for one oscillation for 3 different length of simple pendulum. Now first we take length of simple pendulum as 80 centimeter. For that we take length of string as 78.8. 78.8 is length of string plus radius of bob is 1.2. Therefore length of simple pendulum comes out to be 80 centimeter. Now let us measure the period of simple pendulum with the help of this digital clock. Now let us give oscillations to this simple pendulum. Now the simple pendulum is in mean position. Let us take bob slightly on right hand side and release it. It start oscillating to and fro. Now what is one complete oscillation? We can measure oscillation from when bob goes from right extremity to left extremity and left extremity to again right extremity. It completes one oscillation. In this way we measure time required for 20 oscillations. Now let us start measuring it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now this time, that is time required for 20 oscillation for length of pendulum, simple pendulum 80 centimeter, it comes out to be 36.8 seconds. We take same observation once again. Now it comes out to be 36.4 seconds. Now mean of these two is 36.6 seconds. Now this is time required for 20 oscillation. We have to find time required for one oscillation. For that we divide it by 20. That is, it is small t by 20 and it comes out to be 1.83 seconds. Now we find the ratio L by T square. By making calculations, it comes out to be 23.95 and its unit is centimeter per second square. Now for second reading we change the length by 10 centimeter. Now the length of simple pendulum is 90 centimeter. Again we measure the time required for 20 oscillations and again we find the ratio L by T square. At this time the ratio is 23.80. We take third observation also, and it is for length of simple pendulum 100 centimeter, and in this case the ratio L by T square comes out to be 25.00. Now we take average of this because the ratio L by T square is constant, and average of all this, it comes out to be 24.25 centimeter per second square. Now formula for length of seconds pendulum. Now what is seconds pendulum? Seconds pendulum is special type of simple pendulum, and we have to find out the length of that seconds pendulum, but it is given that period of seconds pendulum is 2 seconds. Period of seconds pendulum is 2 seconds. Now for finding out the length of seconds pendulum, we use the formula Ls upon Ts square, which is equal to L by T square mean. Now mean L by T square, it comes out to be 24.25 centimeter per second square. Now Ts, that is time for period for seconds pendulum, it's 2 seconds, therefore Ts square is 4 seconds. Now therefore Ls, from this formula, Ls is equal to 4 multiplied by mean L by T square. Now therefore Ls is equal to 4 multiplied by this mean, that is 24.25. Now it comes out to be 97 centimeter. The actual value of length of seconds pendulum is 100 centimeter, and it is very near to 97 centimeter is very near to 100 centimeter. Now therefore in this way we find out the length of seconds pendulum. It completes our second activity, seconds pendulum.